Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring Indestructibles. Let's get started. Indestructibles are made for the way babies read, with their hands and mouths. They are chew-proof, rip-proof, and drool-proof. The books are printed on a unique 100% non-toxic paper-like material that holds up to anything your little one will throw at it. Whether it's gumming, drooling, spilling, or dragging the book on the ground, Indestructibles can withstand it all. When the inevitable messes do happen, simply rinse the book by hand or throw them in the laundry. Now let's take a closer look at the books. Indestructibles are designed with vibrant illustrations and minimal text. The bright colors are sure to grab your baby's attention and stimulate their thoughts. They will enjoy paging through the books on their own or even with a parent or older sibling. Next time you're looking to add to your baby's book collection, check out Indestructibles. Thanks for watching. To shop these books or any other books, go to babycubby.com. We offer price matching as well as free shipping on orders over $25 or more. To see another book review, check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what you'd like to see next. See you next time.